Hi everyone. Today I'm visiting a traditional bakery here in Paris. And I've heard that French bread, especially baguettes and croissants, are some of the best in the world. So I'm really excited to go inside, take a look at what they have, and try to buy something while practicing real life English conversation with the staff. So just relax, listen carefully, and follow along as we go through this real life situation. Hello, good morning. This bakery looks absolutely beautiful, and I can already smell the fresh bread from outside, which makes me even more excited to come in and take a look around.
Good morning. Welcome. Thank you for visiting our bakery. Please feel free to take your time and look at the different kinds of bread and pastries we have on display.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate that because I can see there are so many options here and everything looks fresh and delicious. So I think I will need a little time to decide what I would like to try. As I'm looking at the display now, I can see long baguettes, round loaves of bread, and also some smaller pastries. And to be honest, I'm not quite sure what the differences are between all these types. So I was wondering if you could explain a little bit about them.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. The long bread you see there is called a baguette, which is very popular in France, and it has a crispy crust with a soft inside, while the round bread is usually more dense and can be eaten over a longer period of time.
That's very interesting, and I didn't realize that there were so many differences, because where I come from, bread is usually more simple and not as varied as this. I was also wondering if the bread here is baked fresh every day, because it smells so good, and I would really like to try something that has just been made.
Yes, all of our bread is baked fresh every morning, and we take great care to use high-quality ingredients to make sure everything tastes as good as possible.
That sounds wonderful, and I can definitely tell that a lot of effort goes into making these products. After looking at everything carefully, I think I would like to try a baguette because it seems to be the most traditional choice, and I want to experience something that is very typical in France.
That's a great choice, and many people enjoy baguettes as part of their daily meals.
Yes, I've seen people carrying baguettes in movies, so I've always been curious about how they taste. Could you tell me if the baguette is best eaten right away, or can I keep it for later and still enjoy it?
It is best eaten fresh, but you can keep it for a few hours, although the texture might change slightly.
I see, so it would be better if I eat it soon after buying it. Since I am already here, I was also thinking of trying something sweet, maybe one of the pastries, because everything looks so tempting and I don't want to miss the chance to try more than one item.
That's a great idea, and I would recommend our croissants or pain au chocolat, which are both very popular.
That sounds perfect, and I think I will try a croissant as well, because I've heard so many good things about it.
So just to confirm, you would like one baguette and one croissant, is that correct?
Yes, that's exactly what I would like, and I'm really looking forward to trying both of them. While you are preparing my order, I just want to say that this bakery has such a warm and welcoming atmosphere, and I really like how everything is displayed so nicely.
Thank you very much. We try to make our customers feel comfortable and happy when they visit. Your order is ready now.
Thank you so much. Everything looks amazing, and I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome.
All right, I'll get ready to pay next. All right, now that I've chosen a baguette and a croissant, I'm really excited to complete my purchase. And at the same time, I would like to continue asking a few more questions so that I can better understand how things work in a traditional French bakery. Excuse me, before I make the payment, could you please tell me the total price for the baguette and the croissant? Because I just want to make sure I understand everything clearly.
Of course, the total comes to €3.50 for both items.
That sounds very reasonable, especially considering how fresh and delicious everything looks, so I think that's a very fair price. I was wondering if it would be possible to pay by card, because I don't usually carry much cash with me when I travel, and I prefer using my card for convenience.
Yes, you can definitely pay by card, and you can either tap your card or insert it depending on your preference.
That's great. Thank you very much. I will just tap my card now and complete the payment.
All right, the payment has been processed successfully.
Thank you. That was very quick and easy. Since this is my first time visiting Paris, I was also wondering if you could recommend the best way to enjoy a baguette, because I want to have the most authentic experience possible.
Many people enjoy baguettes simply with butter or cheese, but you can also make a sandwich with it if you like.
That sounds wonderful, and I really like the idea of trying it with butter because it seems simple but delicious. I've noticed that bread seems to be a very important part of daily life here in France, and I often see people carrying baguettes as they walk around the city, which makes me curious about how often people buy fresh bread.
Yes, that's true. Many people buy fresh bread every day because they prefer to eat it while it is still fresh.
That's really interesting, and I think it's a very nice tradition to have fresh bread daily. I also wanted to ask if there is a special way to store the bread in case I don't finish it all at once, because I would like to keep it as fresh as possible.
You can keep it in a paper bag at room temperature, but it is best eaten on the same day.
I understand, so it's better to enjoy it sooner rather than later. I just want to say that I really enjoyed visiting this bakery, and I truly appreciate how kind and helpful you have been in explaining everything to me.
Thank you very much, and we are always happy to help our customers.
It really makes a difference when people are friendly, especially when you are visiting a new country for the first time.
Here is your bag with the baguette and the croissant. Please be careful when carrying it.
Thank you so much. Everything looks and smells amazing, and I can't wait to try them. Thank you again for your time and your kindness, and I hope you have a wonderful day.
You're very welcome, and I hope you enjoy your stay in Paris.
I'm sure I will. Thank you. Now let's learn some useful words from this situation. Baguette, long French bread. Croissant, buttery pastry. Total, full price. Pay by card, use a bank card. Recommend, suggest something. Fresh, newly made. Store, keep something. Speaking practice. Repeat after me slowly. Could you tell me the total price? Can I pay by card? Do you recommend anything? How should I store this bread? Great job today! Now you know how to buy bread and speak English naturally in a bakery. In the next video, I will continue exploring Paris and have more real conversations. Don't forget to subscribe and keep learning with me.